Hey my loves, today I'm going to show you how to take some simple guava paste and turn it into a nice filling for your cakes, your pies, your tarts, whatever. It's quick, delicious, easy, no stress, and no mess. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients we are going to make for our guava paste. I have a 14 ounce and a 7 ounce. Well, it could have been two 14 ounces, but I ate half of it. I got hungry in the middle of the night and had it with some cheddar cheese. Don't come for me, okay? So this is a 14 ounce of guava paste plus half of one, which is 7, so that's about 21 ounces. I got some cinnamon sticks. I'm going to use about 2 small cinnamon sticks. I have some water here, and we're going to infuse all this together to create our guava paste. Very simple, very easy for your cake. Okay, I'm just going to cut it into like cubes here, just so I can make the melting process quicker. Okay, just makes the melting process quicker. This is very simple for your cakes. You know, guava is used especially a lot in the islands, the Caribbean a lot. You know, either for tarts, for cake filling. People use them in juices. Guava is very well known, very well used. Okay, so let's cut. All right. And if you, I love eating this with cheddar cheese. The notes of eating this with cheddar cheese, oh my God, is absolutely amazing. All right. All right. So I'm just going to like take this now and we're going to put this in a pot on medium heat. We're going to take our guava. We're going to add it to this. And our water, and we're going to add our 2 small cinnamon sticks, and we're going to allow that to slowly melt. Okay, the reason why, you know, if you can't find cinnamon sticks, yeah, you could add I don't want to make it where the cinnamon is the powerful. I just find it a good combination. I prefer cinnamon sticks because it won't leave like a grittiness feel in your palate. So that's why I enjoy it. Okay. And the ingredients, my loves, will be in the description box below. We have this on medium heat, guys. Okay, and we are doing this now, guys. As this cools, it might get thicker, but I think a half a cup is fine. If you feel that you need a little bit more water, by all means do it. But right now I want the cinnamon stick to be infused, and you also could use pure guava juice too if you have. That's just as good, but I don't have guava juice, you know, so. Okay, so we're going to melt this, okay, and we'll be back. My loves, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup more of water. So I'm going to make it, because I want this, because guava, once it cools down, is going to thicken the back anyway. So this is perfect. 3/4 cups to like this is perfect. So we're just finishing melting this. And of course the cinnamon sticks are steeping in this, okay? And then after we take this off the stove, we're going to leave the cinnamon there for 10 more minutes off the heat and let our filling cool, and it's ready to be used for our filling. So as you can see, look, okay, nice. It's going to be very nice, as you can see. Okay, and this is what we're looking for. I just want to get this to a nice spreadable consistency, but not to the point where it's going to seep out the cake, but it's still going to hold its shape, but it's going to be nice and spreadable. Keep stirring, and we're doing this on a medium low heat, okay? I don't know what brand you're using, taste it, and if it's extremely sweet, then you could definitely cut it with some lemon or lime juice. We got our 3/4 cups of water. We got our 2 small cinnamon sticks and our 21 ounces of the guava paste, and we are just melting that right now, and we're almost done melting it, and just keep stirring. Okay, we're almost there. This doesn't take long. Probably about, you just got to stir it so it could help speed up the melting process, but I would say in under 15 minutes. Okay, just like that. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more new upcoming videos. Okay, press that like button. Okay, so we can push this video. And also, don't forget to press the notification button, my loves, so you could be notified of all my new upcoming videos. Appreciate you all for joining my channel. Okay, you see how it's getting? Okay, and once it cools, it's still going to be spreadable, but it's going to get a little bit more firmer. Okay, just got a few more, and then we're going to pour it into a bowl and leave the cinnamon sticks in there for about 10 minutes, then we're going to take them out, okay? Get all that beauty out of there. Look at that. Beautiful. I love guava paste. Especially with some cheddar cheese. Oh my God, if you haven't had it like that, and crackers, you are in for a treat. In for a serious treat. I'll leave our cinnamon sticks in there. We're going to take them out afterwards, okay? Fish these cinnamon sticks out. Beautiful guava filling for your cake. My loves, please look out for all my other videos. I really hope you enjoyed this little video on guava filling. Look out for my other videos and do 3 things for me, my loves. I want you to eat, love, and pray. Until next time.